Hello there. Access to information about non-heterosexual lifestyles is severely restricted in Hungary. The EU Commission is drawing consequences now, because the EU Commission is taking Hungary twice to the European Court of Justice for alleged violations of EU law. On the one hand, it is about a law restricting information about homosexuality and transgender, as the authority announced on Friday in Brussels. The other case concerns the actions of the Hungarian authorities against the independent radio station Club Radio. The EU Commission monitors compliance with the rule of law in the international community. If Hungary does not comply with the ECJ rulings that are now to be expected, there is a risk of high fines. Critics have long accused right-wing Prime Minister Viktor Orban of undermining the rights of minorities, democratic institutions, and freedom of the press, of subjugating the judiciary, and of fueling resentment against foreigners. Orban's homosexual law had already given Orban strong headwinds in the EU last year. "This Hungarian law is a disgrace," said EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen at the time. And Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte, he made it clear that he sees no place for Hungary in the EU if the government in Budapest continues like this. The law came into force in July 2021. It bans publications accessible to children that depict non-heterosexual relationships. Advertising is also prohibited in which homosexuals or transgender people appear as part of normality. Orban himself has dismissed any criticism of the new rules, claiming he rather defends gay rights. My ass. However, the EU Commission is of the opinion that the law discriminates, among other things, against minorities on the basis of their sexual orientation and gender identity and violates fundamental rights and EU values. Exactly 1 year ago, the authority initiated infringement proceedings against Hungary. Budapest, meanwhile, did not assuage concerns. The same applies to the action against the Club Radio, probably the last professional independent radio station in the country. The station was forced to cease FM broadcasting in February 2021 because the government media agency failed to renew the broadcasting license. Since the right-wing Prime Minister Orban took office in 2010, the private broadcaster has been regularly subjected to repression by the media authorities. Among other things, before the license was revoked, they were only allowed to broadcast in the greater Budapest area. Currently, the Club Radio only broadcasts its program via the internet, albeit with a much smaller reach. And the EU Commission justified the ECJ lawsuit on Friday with the fact that Hungary had applied the rules for extending the transmission frequency in an inappropriate and discriminatory manner. Hungary is also suspected of misusing EU funds. In February, shortly after the re-election of Prime Minister Viktor Orban, the EU Commission therefore initiated sanctions proceedings that could lead to EU subsidies being cut. So he's in a lot of trouble with the EU. And I'll see you in my next video. Schaut vorbei.